This workshop is a clay relief sculpture making workshop. This workshop is conducted for foundation students as a part of My Big Senior an initiative. This workshop is conducted by second and third year fine art students as they are seniors, and they have good knowledge over the medium clay and the medium plaster of Paris. The students will learn the application of three-dimensionality over the two-dimensional surface. Here the learning will be based on the medium practice, and the medium is clay. As these foundation students are from a design and art based practice, so a practice of materials and medium is very must in this stage. So clay as a very basic medium, it's good for them to learn more, and by understanding the very basics of preparing the material itself for the workshop will let them gain more knowledge over the material.